weather out here. So it has been a while. I vlogged last time. Vlogging come back to such a great weather out here. Also, this is my first motovlog. Yeah, motovlog on this Duke 390. Today we are gonna mod a few things. Like you can see, I've carried something with me going to a scenic location, so I can show it to you how it's gonna fit and all. And yeah, the DV killer is off. Sounds absolutely amazing. Have to go pretty slow. Once we get a good road, we can just stretch it out, but yeah, not on these roads.
You know what time it is? Disco time!
The amount of power that this thing has, like, just next level. Let's hear the exhaust out here. Wow. Just can't get enough of it.
3 hours later.
Oh shit. I can hardly scrape through it. Wow, look at this thing and this place. Perfect combination out here. Wow. Every day I found myself looking at this bike. Fuck. Just admiring how beautiful it is. In fact, the new Duke 390 BS6 facelifted version is quite nicely made, but yeah, this is my vibe. That is a little Street Fighter-ish type. So yeah, let's get started. Today we'll be unboxing and installing Simtac Hazard in this Duke 390. There are few things that we need to remove. First is this: we need to take this key and just put it out here and just slide it in.
That's what she said!
So yeah, this is the box, and when you open it, wow, I get a warranty card as well. And then there is this Simtac, which is gonna fit in our bike. Let's open this out. Keep this sit right here. So what are we gonna do? These are the cables that come stock with this Duke 390. This is of mostly one of these indicators. This is of other, and this is of the tail light that you can see right here. We just have to remove it like that and fix this thing. Let's keep it here, and then we have to find the matching couplers for it right here, and the other one from the Hazard goes in here, and that's all you have to do. You don't need a switch, you don't need a fucking wiring guy and all, and it will start working. My hands are a little bit dirty. Let's keep it all this here. Let's see if this works. Just slide back that in and just turn it on. Let's see if this works. Has it started? Not yet. Maybe we have to right, left, and this, and yeah, that has started. Wow, there are total of 42 patterns out here. You can see, just looks amazing. Left, yeah, this is a different one. So yeah, this is how you install a Simtac Hazard in it. Let's pop this back on and take a few shots of it here. Oh, यहाँ पे तो water crossing बनी हुई है. Anyways, let's just stop here and shoot a little. So at night it would something look like this. Looks damn nice. You can just change it like this. You don't need, I don't think you guys can hear me. See, it would just look like this at night. You can change it by just left, right, and middle. This will just change its 42 of modes. If you guys like the video, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe.